I'm going to show you how to adjust the cutting thickness. You see this screen. First, you press this button. Set 2, set 1. You see set 1, set 2. Now you set 2, set 1, set 2. So set 1 means up. I write here. Set 2 means down. 100 means 1 millimeter. That to say 100 means millimeter. So 1000 means 10 millimeter. You see, for example, I want to cut 2 millimeter. How can I say it? Maybe I set the up 1 millimeter. Up is set 1. Set 1. Set 1. 100. I set 100. Okay, 100. And down. Down is set 2. Set 2 is 4. Now 400. 400 maybe. So you cut 3 millimeter. If you set like this, you cut 3 millimeter because up is 1 millimeter. Down is 4 millimeter. So you get 3 millimeter. Do you understand? If I want to cut 2 millimeter, so I set up 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter. So now you get you get 2 millimeter. That to say you cut 2 millimeter. If you want to cut 3 millimeter, how to set 3 millimeter? You can change this one. And for no. If you want to cut 3 millimeter, how to set? So I want to cut 3 millimeter. Up is 2 millimeter. So down must 5 millimeter. So you get 3 millimeter. You cut 3 millimeter. Do you understand now? Okay, we want to cut 2 millimeter. So we change 5 millimeter to 4 millimeter. 4 millimeter. You see, if you want to cut centimeter, so this is the 100 figure. This is the 1000 figure. So I press the 4 button. You see, it's up. You see, now I want cut. Maybe how much I want cut. Set 2 is done. Now this is 40 millimeter. It's done. 40 millimeter. It's done. Up 2 millimeter. So you cut 12 millimeter. You get 12 millimeter. So 200 meter. You also can change. You can change 1. It's up 1 millimeter and down 40 millimeter. So you get 30 millimeter. Do you understand now how to set the thickness? Now I wish you understand. Okay. Now I'm going to. This is the 1000. This is the so it's more. You see, this is the 140 millimeter. Means it will done like this. It will down 140 millimeter. Okay, maybe now we don't want to cut such high thickness. We change it to 0, and this one also we change to 0. Okay, we only want to cut now. It cuts 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter minus 1 millimeter, so it gets 3 millimeter. Now I want to cut 2 millimeter, so I can change. Also can change this one up 2 millimeter and down 4 millimeter, you get the 2 millimeter. Okay, this is how to set the cut thickness. Understand now? I wish you understand it. Please remember, set 1 is up, set 2 is down, set 2 is down. Okay. Why we need a set up? Because you see, when you cut form finish, the knife will return back, right? If you not up, the knife will touch the form when it's returned back. So we set some distance, let the knife up more than the form, so it can return back, not touch the form. That is why we have set 1. So set 1 you can set anything, any millimeter. You can 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, no problem, anything. Sometimes it depends on you. But the set 2 you can plus the set 1, so you get your cutting. Hello, it's me. Today I just teach you how to use this machine, and now it's finished. From Eastfield Machinery. Any questions in the future? If you buy our machine, you are welcome to send us email. We will support you anytime, any price, no problem.